Benefits of clove for men and women, and how to use it. Clove is an aromatic plant used as a spice, known for its strong fragrance and sharp taste. It offers many proven health benefits. Here are its most important benefits. 1. Promotes oral and dental health. Clove contains eugenol, a natural compound that acts as an anesthetic and antibacterial agent. It helps relieve toothache and reduce gum inflammation. 2. Anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Rich in powerful antioxidants that fight free radicals and reduce inflammation in body tissues. 3. Improves digestion, stimulates the secretion of digestive enzymes, helps reduce bloating and gas, and supports intestinal movement. 4. Strengthens the immune system. Contains natural properties that help the body fight infections, viruses, and fungi. 5. Regulates blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest that clove may enhance insulin sensitivity and help in blood sugar regulation. 6. Stimulates blood circulation. Supports healthy blood flow, increasing energy and vitality. 7. Supports the respiratory system, helps relieve cough and congestion. Can be added to tea or honey for better respiratory relief. 8. Anti-cancer properties. Laboratory studies indicate that clove components may help slow down the growth of cancer cells. First, benefits of clove for men. 1. Enhances sexual health, stimulates blood circulation, helping improve sexual performance and increase libido. 2. Improves sperm quality. The antioxidants in clove may help increase sperm count, mobility, and overall quality. 3. Fights urinary tract infections. Its natural antiseptic properties reduce the risk of urinary infections. 4. Helps with erectile dysfunction. By improving blood vessel function and circulation, it may aid in natural erection support. Second, benefits of clove for women. 1. Relieves menstrual pain, acts as a natural pain reliever and relaxant for uterine cramps. 2. Regulates menstrual cycle, may help stabilize irregular menstrual cycles and reduce hormonal fluctuations. 3. Beneficial for skin and hair. Clove oil helps purify the skin and fight acne. It also strengthens the hair and reduces hair fall. 4. Fights vaginal, fungal, and bacterial infections. Supports safe and effective protection against vaginal infections when used properly. How to use clove for both men and women. Clove tea. Boil 3 to 4 cloves in a cup of water. Let it cool down, then drink. Clove oil, used topically after dilution with a carrier oil for massage, skin, or hair. Chewing cloves can help relieve tooth pain and freshen breath. See you again soon. Omar Syed.